Hi, my name's John. Welcome to this month's free giveaway. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if we can get a winner. Right, Wingless 69, all you have to do is send me an email, that's my email address up there, and I'll get your prizes pushed off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway this month. If you want to enter, it's really simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel. In the comment box, you need to write the following: 2025 giveaway 4. No full stops, no capital letters. Giveaway is 2 words, just like this. 2025 giveaway 4. My computer will pick a random winner out from all the entries, and then it's dead simple, you win the prize. I'm going to show you what the prizes are now. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway: double boost cap, set of clearing twist drills, some anchor lube to try and keep our twist drills alive, good stuff that is, little deburring tool given by my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma, and my friend Shane gave us a set of Kennedy feel here just to give away.